Essential kitchen is the best in town.
Hey guys, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. So we are making a granola cake. This is our main recipe. With 2 cups of flour, 1/2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, and nutmeg. We have our ingredient. We have our milk powder. Before that, I have prepared my pan. And we have our 1/2 cups of oil. So let's begin immediately. I want to dissolve my instrument. So the first thing I will do now is to I'll add my sugar. This is onion-based cake. So this is just sugar and 2 eggs. It's simple to do. Very good. It works best for ready-to-go cakes. Minimize cost and maximize profits. So to that, I'll add my oil. Give me the seed. So I was like, that's how it happens. I'm not using it. This is our nutmeg. Baking powder. It's fine.